has fixed Brawl Stars not opening after the update. It is quite common that people are facing this problem after the update because Supercell has just made an update recently that will cause the disruption on their servers. So in that case, you cannot do anything. You just have to wait for a few hours for them to fix their servers. So it's quite common these days in Supercell games, where after the update the game stops working. So in that case, you just have to wait. But if the game servers are up and running but you're still facing the issue, then you might want to check your internet connection, because sometimes if you don't have stable enough internet connection, then you won't be able to open the game. As you know, Brawl Stars is an online game, so you obviously need internet connection. Just make sure that you have a stable connection. Try switching to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data, or vice versa. If you are using your data, try switching to your Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to your data. That may solve your problem and the game should be running. But if that still doesn't work, what you want to do is long press on the app to go to your set app info. From here, if there are any permissions denied, make sure to allow all of those permissions. Then go to storage, and from here you want to clear cache. Then once you do that, you want to clear all of its data again. So what this will do is clear all of its junk file and data, then reset the app. Once you do that, try restarting your phone and reopen the app. After you do that, your Brawl Stars should be up and running. And that's how you fix the problem. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.